This is the time when true worshipers will worship you. And these are the days when my Father's ways will be known to man. This is the hour when the Spirit's power will move again. As we worship you in spirit and in truth. This is the time. This is the time when true worshipers will worship you. These are the days. These are the days when my Father's ways will be known to man. This is the hour when the Spirit's power will move again. As we worship you in spirit and in truth. When true worshipers will